vacuum system. That'll suck up when it's milling, collect the dust in there. Got a cover feeder. We don't have the right size covers for the, we don't really have any paper to run, so I'll just run covers through it so you can see that that works. So, you see one's in there already. Push the foot pedal and clamps it. Hit the button. So you can see I don't have the right size cover. If you watch right here, you can see it feeding. Now what I'm going to do is turn off the cover feeder. If you look here, it will actually score your covers for gluing. Like you could do the side glue and you see the hinge on it now. So it'll lay the score lines also. So this cover has no scores in it, we run it through there to score. So it's just padding, so what it's doing is allowing the glue to dry long enough so it'll drop out. If I don't let it dry, it'll stumble when it comes out. So it takes 20 seconds in this case. But you can set it from 0 to whatever. I had to set for 20 seconds. So that's just putting glue on, no cover. See how it glues the sides and the back and the other side. It mills it so that the glue penetrates. See the spots? So in this case, we're not putting the cover on. I didn't set the nipper to grab the book. Our covers aren't the right size. But here's when I tried with the wrong paper. So you can see how it glues the side. And you can set it up not to glue the side. The machine works good.